What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and once again, everyone's favorite model, Daniel, is back, and we're gonna be actually changing his hair up a little bit. He's finally agreed to do a Salon Guy haircut like mine, and no. So what I wanna do is we're actually gonna shorten this up quite a bit. I just wanna kind of break down what I'm gonna be doing throughout his haircut now. We're gonna speed through it a little bit because I wanna keep it very tight with this. And simply, I'm gonna be tapering this down a little bit, probably like a number 2 guard or so. Nothing super short in through here, but we'll do a nice taper up in through here. Take about, I'd say, 1 inch to 1.5 inches off of length in through here. Work it all through to where the front, he has a little bit of hair to kind of spike up in the front or to kind of style it in a few different ways. I'm gonna be using my new product pregame, which I'm really excited about, and I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, guys, so I'm gonna break down Daniel's haircut and what we did. So as you can see, this looks incredible. It's got a lot of texture to it. And basically I used a number 2 guard from here up to about here. And then I raised the lever to make it like a 2.5, then a 3, 3.5, and then a 4 guard right into this area. Then I did a lot of it by hand because I really wanted to create the texture in through here to create a nice soft blend on both sides. Then as I was working in through this area, I connected the back here into the top and then worked it to where it's about 1.5 inches the most in through here. And then the entire top is pretty consistent of about 1.5 inches. And then in the front, I would say 2.5 inches, no more than 3, right in the very, very front. I went in and I used a lot of texturizing techniques where I was point cutting into different sections and strands. Then I used the thinning shears or the blending shears to go in to soften this sides up in through here. And then also I was twisting in pieces and then chopping into those twists to create a lot of texture. And then finally, and last but not least, I used my new product pregame, which as you saw when I applied it, it creates almost instant texture, instant volume, and instant shape. And because it's a water-based product, it goes on and it's a little bit damp at first, not like wet, but you can feel kind of some moisture in it because it's a water base. The key to this product is that it'll form like this, and then over time, it'll dry out, become a bit more matte, and then I'd say even like 6 or 7 hours down ahead of time, it will then become a whole new product, which he can then go back in and reshape it and restyle it, almost to have like a fully matte paste, which is incredible. So a very, very unique product. And here we have the finished result. All right, guys, here is Daniel's finished results. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out Pregame. It's now available for purchase on my website. It's an amazing product, and let me know what you think about Daniel's new haircut. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.